Welcome back to Small Cap Recap, everybody. Trader Bryce here. I'm keeping this one short because I'm losing my voice. It's actually a little bit better than it was earlier today. I think I just found like the right pitch to talk in. So I'm going to talk a little quieter and definitely not as long. I actually just got done giving a webinar for the StocksToTrade team. Once again, Matt Monaco's not here with me. Sad. We're all crying together. Market was pretty hot today, though. It was a lot of things were moving well. A lot of follow through, which is great to see. Hoping that continues into tomorrow. It didn't really necessarily start off wildly hot today. There were definitely promising looking tickers. Obviously, ISPC or not ISIG, DWAC today. If you saw that, a lot of great setups. Unfortunately, I did not hit them all. And even the ones I did hit, I drastically underestimated because I wasn't really used to that follow through yet. But regardless, I got really nice moves. I ended the day up about 11,000 today, mainly through PPSI, which we'll go over in a minute here. But let's head on over to the charts. ISIG was today's main runner, and we had a really nice gap up. This candle for me told everything I was looking for. I think I alerted this pretty early in small cap, actually on this minute. Looking squeezy when you have that big VWAP, you can't even notice it. We just had this really harsh VWAP pull. It was a 50 cent a share pull, an instant recovery. Like you could just watch that tape walking up, and I didn't want to chase it because it was $1 a share risk. Now, little did I know it'd go to 25. So that risk didn't really matter, but I had no idea that this would be a wild runner. I did end up hitting it in the afternoon right here, an 1870 average after we had a couple fake breakdowns and just instant recovery. Sold it up into the high 20s on this push. Well, sold most of it, I should say, and then sold the rest on this push. Nice little scalp trade. Didn't trust it enough for it to be, it was already up a lot. So I was happy with that trade. DWAC today was crazy, right? Going down from 48 up to now 67 in after hours. Really nice range on that. Drastically underestimated. I was watching here and didn't take it. I don't know. For whatever reason, I wasn't feeling it, and that was very wrong of me. But it was a really nice trade nonetheless. Let me pull up BKKT to show you how bad I messed that one up. That was brutal. So I longed here, all the way down here it was actually right at $14 a share right here. Sold at like $14.20, then relonged again at like $14.30 and sold up in the 14.50s. Didn't keep an eye on it, and it just went parabolic as everything did today. ISPC, this was a weird one for me. I'm only bringing this up because I was watching this after hours. I was trying to get in at 14.30, missed my fill. Then went to 17. That was fun. PPSI, though, was the main breadwinner for me today, and unfortunately drastically underestimated this one. So I was long 10,000 shares with 1038 average right here. Started in a little here, added here, and then my last add was this candle. Oh, zoomed in too much. My last add was right here at 44. And so I was really happy, honestly. I got almost instantly $1 a share spike. And given that we hadn't had a ton of follow through in small caps the past week or so, past really week and a half, I decided to, especially with those midday ones, we were talking about it the other day, how those midday pops really don't tend to lead to a whole lot of follow through. So I sold between 9 and 940 for a $7,500 win. There was never a re-entry as it just kind of grinded up, and it grinded up into a parabolic to nearly $12 a share. I didn't love it in here anywhere else. I tried it right here and then sold for basically break even because I just didn't trust it. And it ended up being really nice. Now it's dumping after hours. Hopefully, this is a really nice daily chart. I like the daily chart a lot. So hopefully we can get some more consolidation, form a base down at like 8 or 9, and then have another leg up. That'd be ideal for me. But we'll see what ends up happening. Like I said, overall, the small cap market looks really nice. I think there's a lot of potential. And now in the coming weeks or months, I know I've been kind of back and forth on it. But today seemed like a really important day for building momentum in the market. So hopefully that kind of turns us around a little bit. We'll see. But I'm excited, for end of December, all the way through January, all the way into February. I think there's a lot of potential. So I'm just going to keep playing the momentum as it comes, but I'm not going to be overly convicted on anything until I continue to see follow through. Then I'll continue to try to, try to hold for bigger moves. So that's the plan. That's the play for me. That's kind of what the bigger movers I saw in the market today. And like I said, hopefully they can continue pushing. Hopefully that momentum can continue building. So thank you for tuning into Small Cap Recap, guys. If you haven't liked the video, like the video. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. We didn't go live today because my voice is just all thrown off, and I know I had to do this in a webinar, but normally we're going every day, live every day. Right now, like in the afternoons, that's when the best moves seem to be happening still. So make sure those post notifications are on and make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you back here in the next Small Cap Recap. And until then, Trader Bryce out.
We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the Stocks Trade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.